So my name's Mike, I am UK based. I specialise in mental health and exercise coaching as well as yoga. I've been in the fitness and wellness industry now for 22 years, and my main job is to deliver online classes, whether they're yoga, Pilates or personal training, either online or face-to-face. And I'm lucky enough to come abroad to work on weeks and retreats like this. I also work in Ibiza and Greece as well as Turkey. So anybody that comes to my classes here at the Gloria hotels will experience hopefully a mind and body session. I'm a huge advocate that if you haven't got a healthy mind, you'll never have a healthy body. So I try and bring in mind and body together at the same time. So hopefully you will leave the class feeling energized, uplifted, with a peaceful mind as well as a worked body. So the Gloria WellFit Weeks are a phenomenal concept. The reason being is it just gives the clients that come to all of the resorts or hotels a chance to experience some classes from presenters all over the world, whether it's myself from the UK or whether it's presenters from anywhere else. It also allows the clients to actually really engage into themselves, their mind and body whilst they're here in these beautiful locations, so they can relax, but they can also keep their bodies moving at the same time. Obviously these hotels and resorts have classes all the time, but we just bring in something fresh and something invigorating from different countries, so hopefully the clients can actually book the same weeks next year and actually come and enjoy the WellFit Weeks that we deliver. So teaching at the Gloria Hotel and Resorts was just phenomenal. I can't honestly say that the staff could have been any more helpful. The atmosphere, the clients here, and the surroundings. You just have to look at the website and actually see what's to offer. The surroundings are just phenomenal. There's absolutely nothing that you couldn't wish for, from the entertainment side, from the food, from the spa, from the indoor pools, from the beach, absolutely everything. It's just phenomenal. So a massive thank you to the Gloria Hotel and Resorts for having me, and hope to see you again soon.